Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share the experience of TCS Digital Interview, and this interview was done to a girl who belongs to Andhra Pradesh, and she came to Hyderabad uh, yesterday night and she attended the interview. She belongs to computer science department, and let's move on what kind of questions that are being asked to her. At first, they started with the introduction. After completion of self-introduction, they started asking about the machine learning project along with piece of code. They were asked to write a piece of code that is related to the project. So you should keep in mind when you are telling something to them that you must be aware of. And at the same time, they asked about the libraries in Python. After that, they started asking about the sklearn, which is a Python library. And after that, they asked about how can you store data in cloud. It means they started asking about the cloud computing. Again, then they asked about the logistic regression, which is a machine learning algorithm. After that, they asked about the exceptions in Python and what are the ways to overcome the exceptions, and they asked to create a custom exception in Java. It means you must be aware of more than 2 to 3 programming languages along with its OOPS concepts and deep knowledge in it. After completion of exceptions, they started asking about the what is the difference between actual data and predicted data. It means it's a kind of deep learning project, I think so. And then we move on to the upcoming questions. In the 11th question, they asked about why you choose Python, not Java. You must be justified why you choose Python. And later they asked about how can you say Java is less flexible as it deals with more complex problem. I think she might have said that Java is less flexible, so they asked this question. So we must be in a situation to justify the answer. After that, they asked about big data. Oh, a lot more concepts are involved in this particular interview. And they are also asked about are you aware of Hadoop and Apache Hive? Oh, these are the big data tools, right? It was not a easy interview. It can be categorized between the medium and advanced level. Why Excel is not used in the data science project to extract the data insights? Oh, quite interesting questions. How can you change rows to columns and columns to rows in Excel? Even I am not familiar with it. 17th question is write a Flask code to create calculator application. Oh, the project which they have developed was connected to the Flask. Based upon that, they are asking write a code to create calculator application using Flask. So please keep on your mind, students. Whenever you are keeping something in the resume, you must be familiar with it, as well as you must be having some other knowledge which is not mentioned in the resume as well. And also they asked about the Dijkstra algorithm and where can we use it. It can be used to find shortest path, I think so. Please revise it. And at the same time they asked about B trees, how it is different from binary search trees. It's a DSA question. And later they asked create an array in Python, explain its operations. Since Python array creation is a bit different from list, tuple and dictionary, so they were supposed to ask it. So it is the entire experience that I got from one student, and it can be categorized between the medium to difficult level because they have been asking a lot more concepts related to big data and big data tools and deep learning code and DSA as well. So please be aware on what you are focusing on, and please be confident. Please prepare thoroughly. and all the best. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you feel it informative, please try to share it with your friends. Thank you.